There are many strategies which only the rich people use to get richer, but they never reveal these secrets. We researched a lot and found out 10 strategies that the rich people use to get richer. We analyzed all the millionaires' habits and then found out these, so you must watch the video till the end or you would miss some important parts. Now let's start. 1. They make a budget. In the words of Benjamin Franklin, if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. Those who go on to achieve great success have a knack for seeing the big picture. While most individuals hunt for a fast method to become wealthy, they take on unnecessary risk that usually backfires. Successful people, on the other hand, seek for opportunities with an asymmetric risk-reward ratio. The idea is to take on as little risk as possible in exchange for the smallest possible payoff. For instance, if you could either keep your original investment or lose it all, you wouldn't want to risk $1,000 in the hopes of earning $1. However, for a chance at a $1,000 payoff, you'd be willing to risk $1. It's a case of unequal risk and return. 2. They do their homework. Billionaires and multimillionaires are often avid readers who take pleasure in learning new information and expanding their knowledge base. Warren Buffett is well known for his extensive daily reading, which includes, among other things, the full annual reports of the firms in which he invests or may invest. Millionaires and billionaires, the people you look up to, have suggested hundreds of books on personal finance and investment. If you don't have time to read a whole annual report, it doesn't mean you can't perform thorough research on investment prospects, company plans, and more. Press the subscribe button and also the like button to know more amazing tricks to earn money and get rich. 3. Equity ownership are established by them. Not many people can claim to be millionaires or even billionaires without also being substantial investors in some way. To begin, entrepreneurs generate what is known as sweat equity, so called because of the founder's dedication to their businesses and the value they ultimately produce. The majority of individuals are not cut out to be entrepreneurs, but it does not exclude them from gaining ownership. When employing new employees, it's usual practice to sweeten the deal by giving them some ownership stake in the firm in exchange for their services. If you're ever in a position to earn stock or options, doing so in stages as the firm develops might be beneficial. As a result, you'll have more invested in the company's success and in your own job performance. 4. They invest their money. It's not only the wealthy who put money into the market. Numerous factors and layers of complexity are built into the fields of economics and finance. Despite the fact that these disciplines' academic branches adopt a static approach to teaching how variables interact, the real-world lessons of the market originate from its volatility and the truth that the economy is never genuinely static. That's why it's so tough to predict when the market will rise or fall, and why the efficient market theory, if you get into it, says there aren't many chances to spot flaws in values. However, if you're willing to commit to a strategic long-term investment plan, economic markets have traditionally grown over time, and there's a good chance that this trend will continue. 5. They spread out your money and investments. If diversity is widely acknowledged as a winning portfolio management tactic, then why wouldn't it also apply to other types of companies and investments? You should want to diversify and distinguish your sources of income, whether you've created your profits and net worth via active or passive income tactics or a mix of the two. The typical prosperous business owner derives their wealth from a variety of sources. In this way, the loss of any one source of income won't wipe out the business owner's earnings entirely, but rather, simply a portion of it. To differentiate yourself, you shouldn't feel compelled to launch many firms at once, but rather to seek out more investment options. Real estate investments, startups, public stock market speculation, and other options are all on the table. 6. Get your taxes in order. Everyone has the responsibility of paying taxes, yet the tax system treats taxpayers differently. Depending on the state, some or all forms of income may or may not be subject to taxation. When calculating your return on investment, it is crucial that you understand the effect of taxes on a wide range of factors, including debt, equity, income, investments, charity, children, and more. Realized profits may be significantly altered by being in the 10% or 37% tax rate. 7. They rearrange investments. It is crucial to have an appreciation for the nature of cycles in the macroeconomic setting. Ray Dalio is a millionaire investor and philanthropist who has avoided financial disasters by using his knowledge of the economy. 8. They also reinvest. In the form of dividends, certain investments may provide a steady stream of income on a monthly, quarterly, or yearly basis. Cash is easy to mistake this for an unexpected windfall and start blowing cash on frivolous items right away. The millionaire method is different, however. It's wise to keep reinvesting your dividends until you're ready to retire and your wealth is sufficient to pay your living needs out of the principal amount in your accounts. Albert Einstein once remarked that compound interest was the most potent force in the universe, and that reinvesting helps to fuel that force. You may increase your cost basis by adding dividends you get back into your original investment. With a larger shareholding comes a larger potential for capital appreciation and dividend payouts. If you invest your dividends at a rate of 10% annually and keep that money in the market for 50 years, you will have $106,719 more than you started with. You'll only have $4,700 after 50 years if you cash out your annual return of $100. 9. Adopt a moderate conservative worldview. One would think a conservative contrarian is a contradiction in terms. By contrast, liberals and progressives are flexible in their thinking, whereas conservatives are not. As you near retirement, it's wise to reduce your tolerance for risk without abandoning your contrarian investing philosophy. Wealthfront's co-founder Andy Rachleff is well known for his argument that being non-consensus and correct is essential to success. 10. They strive tenaciously. Colin Powell once said, "There are no secrets to success. Success follows planning, effort, and the ability to draw lessons from setbacks." It sheds light on the myths surrounding the causes of financial success and the realities of making it in the business world. Company success seldom occurs as quickly as people want it to, even in today's fast-paced, technologically innovative company world. Technology does not become widely available overnight. Rather, a great deal of effort goes into its creation. That's all for today. These strategies are secretly used by all the millionaires, but they keep these as secrets and never reveals them. Sir Warren Buffett, Jeff Bezos, Charlie Munger, Robert Kiyosaki all uses these secret strategies to produce wealth. Now you know all of these strategies, so you must start following them. And if you have any doubt in any of these strategies, then just leave a comment below and we will answer it as soon as possible. Share this video with everyone, including your friends, colleagues, workmates, and all others you know. Press the red subscribe button below to know more amazing financial tricks and secrets. Press the like button also. Thanks for watching the video till here.